Jen Stanley Bamboo Park, soon to be developed in this area. Then the riverside, City Home Subdivision, Jen Stanley Bamboo Park, dwarf coconut, and the road. There are people here, and hidden waterfall. There is a twin hidden waterfall in that area. Hidden waterfall, twin. Then back to Jen Stanley Bamboo Park.